Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-450 in a platinum trim and a dually configuration, powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with power deployable running boards down below, mud flaps on the front and rear, soft top tonneau cover to keep your belongings covered and protected, as well as the FX4 off-road package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle with a 12 volt, 2 USBs, 110 volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. This truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors, as well as having massaging front seats, which is nice for those long road trips. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 73,292 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have your truck info, such as gauges, tire pressures, digital or DEF, fluid status, digital speedometer status, engine information, transmission temperature, towing information, off-road status, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. Above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again with your forward-facing camera. You do also have a premium Sony sound system, and moving down you have your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air-conditioned front seats. To the left you have your 4x4 controls and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And moving on to your center console area, you have this compartment with 2 USBs, so you can plug in from there. And you have 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, as well as a lockable center compartment / armrest with a safe inside, so you can keep your stuff real secure in there. And I believe there is even another 12 volt inside, so you can plug something in from there. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.